Today we're going to go over how to install windborne debris panels. And the first thing you need to do is get your schematic. They are house specific, and locate the window that you're trying to install, and the panel will be labeled for that particular window. Now I have a little mock diagram here, and the installation will be the same on your home. The first thing you want to do is to remove these caps. They will pop off, or you can unscrew them as well. So I'm just going to take these off here. After you get the caps off, you do have a box of hardware, and inside of the box you have a small plastic bag that has some samples in it. You have some extra caps, and you have your windborne hardware. So you have an example of how the hardware is to be set up with your washered wing nut. So you need to assemble all of your bolts in your box to look like this. Kind of put the washered wing nut a little bit up at the top there, and then you have a spare, just a regular bolt. And what you want to do with this bolt is put it in the top middle part of the window. Make sure that's nice and secure. Now what you're able to do is actually hang the panel on that screw. Once your panel is hung on that screw, now you may have a larger window, a 3-foot by 6-foot window. Once your panel is hung on that screw, then the next one you want to do is either the top right or the top left. So you would take another bolt and simply move or rotate this so it lines up. So when you're installing these bolts by hand, do not try to thread them in with a drill, because it is very easy to cross thread these female lags that are in there, because they are stainless steel. So after that, then you'll have to move the bottom, and you can tilt it up. Don't tighten anything down yet at this point. Once you have those two in there, now your top is secure and your panel will not fall down on top of you. Then you can go ahead and install the bottom ones as well. And when you do the bottom ones, with this being secure, you will have to lift up on it to align the holes with the lags. All right, once you have all of those in, now you can remove the top bolt and replace it with one of your assembled pieces. All right, so now all 6 are installed. Now these washered wing nuts, you can tighten those down, and that will tighten your panel to your trim or to your window. And that's it. You're basically secured, easy to remove. Now if you want to remove them with a drill, you can remove them with the drill. You just never want to install the bolt into the female lag that's on your house with a drill. You want to hand tighten them first. Make sure they are inserted fully. They insert about a 1/2 inch. And then once they're all done, secure them all and you're all set.